Today we're going to see how to get the current stock price using Python program. So first line of code is the import yfinance as yf. So here import is the keyword in Python to bring the external libraries or functionalities. We're using yfinance library and we're giving alias as yf. So we can refer instead of yfinance we can refer as yf. So if you don't have installed yfinance, you need to install using pip install yfinance. So I have already installed this one, so no need to install it again. And then next we define one function to get the current price of the stock. So here def is a keyword used to define function in the Python. What are functions? Functions are the blocks of reusable code that performs specific task. Okay, here we define the function named get stock price. Okay, so inside this function we will first assign a variable, create a variable ticker underscore symbol to assign the name of the ticker that we need to get the price. Here we are assigning Tata Motors.bo. Here BO is for Bombay Exchange. If you want to get NSE price, you can put NS. Okay, let me put BO, and then we need to create one ticker object using yfinance library. Here stock underscore data is equal to yf. Yf means we are referring yfinance dot ticker. Here ticker is a class from yfinance library. So this allows us to fetch the data for the given ticker symbol. So ticker of the ticker symbol. In this ticker symbol we are storing this Tata Motors dot bo. Next, we will create one more ticker object so that fetches the current price. So current price is equal to stock underscore data dot info ask. So this line of code fetches the current price of the given stock. So here info is an attribute. Okay, next we will write return current price. So this line of code returns the value that is fetched from the stock underscore data dot info ask. So return current price. Next we will call the variable, call the function. So this entire function returns the current price. Whenever we call this function method get underscore stock price, it will return the current price. Now we will store that get underscore stock price function to variable where underscore stock price. Okay, next at the end we use print to print the current price. Print ticker symbol. Here ticker symbol is a variable, and then I'm adding some space. So you can use plus symbol to concatenate this text, and here current price is also the text, and we're calling comma, we're calling the variable where underscore stock and price. So this variable stores the output from the get underscore stock price function. Let me execute this code.